Evolution of culture. If we define culture as an information capable of affecting individuals' behavior that they acquire from other members of their species, through teaching, imitation, and other form of social transmission, cultural evolution is fundamentally just a change of culture over time. Culture is a unique feature of human evolutionary process and have humans modify their biological evolution using culture as a tool. Because of these unique features, the human has been more rapid than that of other species. Cultural evolution is often used by archaeologists to reverse a progressive historical trend, with progress defined in ethnocentric terms such as greater social and political complexity. The core idea of cultural evolution is that cultural change constitutes an evolutionary process that shares fundamental similarities with, but also differs in the key ways from, genetic evolution. As such, human behavior is shaped both genetic and cultural evolution. The same can be said for many other animal species like the use of tall chimpanzees and Caledonian crows, or the complex social organization of hives for ants, bees, termites, and wasps. Evolution of culture made possible for the following developments. 1. Dispersal of human beings across the Earth's surface. 2. Adaptation nearly all biotic and physical situations by human. 3. Growth in numbers to reach a population of 5 million around 10,000 years ago. Stages of cultural evolution. 1. We have Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age dates back to the period 2 million years ago. During this age, successive glaciation alternated with milder climatic conditions. Plants, animals, and humans tried to adapt to this climatic extreme, and those which could not became extinct. Speech was involved and mastered by human, along with tools and fires, thus completing the tripod of culture. The second stage of cultural evolution is Mesolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age lasted from 11,000 to 900,000 years ago. This age is characterized by the end of the last of major deglaciations and replenishments of water bodies by aquatic life. This age also marked the beginning of Holocene period, or the stage of incipient food production. Humans had become as specialized food gatherers by now. They also adopted techniques for preservation and storage of food surpluses, thus reducing the starvation period. Tools become more refined and specialized. The third stage of cultural evolution is Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age period is characterized by grinding and polishing of stone, beginning of agriculture, settled lifestyle, pottery, domestication of animals, and more purposeful and intensive manipulation of biotic environment. Three main sites of early agriculture are Middle East, Meso, and Andean, American, and Southeast Asia. This is the photos representing the three cultural evolution: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. The last stage of cultural evolution is the beginnings of civilization. The early civilizations appeared in the uplands, which had adequate amounts of rainfall to support agriculture for local inhabitants. Gradually, with increase in population, the communities moved to lowlands, where the river valleys offered natural sites for settlement, agriculture, and domestication of animals. The early river valley civilizations came up around the rivers Nile, Tigris, and Euphrates, Indus, etc. The agriculture advances were represented by development of water management techniques like canals, ponds, ditches, etc. Pottery and weaving had already developed. Cultural evolution affects us with a lot of change, like our individualism and collectivism, conformity, self-esteem, and narcissism. During the cultural change, I conclude that there are a lot of changes on us. Another proof is our intelligence. And the more the culture change, the more we gain knowledge about our surroundings. Our gender inequality is the main problem before, but due to the cultural evolution we went through, this became an open mind to us to stop inequality on genders, because we're still the same human being. Due to evolution of culture, it affects us by so many things like the way we live and the tools and equipment we use every day. That's all. Thank you for listening and bye.